No animals were harmed during the making of this film. Instead, they were cuddled.
Thoothukudi, popularly known as Pearl City, lies in the Coromandel coast of Bay of Bengal. Join me in birding in this video to see some waders and water birds of Thoothukudi. The all-famous greater flamingo is often seen walking by the salt pans. A hungry spot-billed pelican slowly swims in the surface of the water looking for fishes to fill its huge pouched bill. Numenus arquata, where Numenus means new moon in Greek, where the Eurasian curlew gets its name because of the beak that resembles a new moon. This beak helps the curlew dig grounds in search of its prey. Well, that's a prized catch. It's a shrimp. The common red shank is seen almost in the same place throughout the year in the same position. They feed on tiny insects, earthworms, mollusks, and crustaceans. The little ringed plover is a small plover with a distinctive black and white head pattern. A closer view of this bird reveals its golden eye ring. Sometimes, the Eurasian spoonbills are also seen along with the waders. The very sleepy great thickney is often found standing still on the shore. This species is listed as near threatened on the basis that it is expected to undergo a moderately rapid population decline. Black-winged stilt is a long-legged wader in the avocet family. In the middle of September, migration begins. The greater crested tern is a large and elegant tern with a lemon yellow beak. The great knots goes for a walk with some black-bellied or grey plovers. The great knots are extremely rare birds and is always a pleasant feeling to see them on field. A common tern preens its feathers getting ready for its next flight to have its evening snack. A curlew sandpiper, which is slightly larger than the dunlin, is a medium-sized wader which has a slightly curved beak. The broad-billed sandpiper, which resembles a curlew sandpiper, has a slightly straighter bill. A closer look of the broad-billed sandpiper reveals that its supercilium is two-striped. This helps us differentiate the curlew sandpiper, which has only a single stripe on its supercilium, from the broad-billed sandpiper. The Eurasian oystercatcher is one of the most beautiful waders. Just as the name suggests, the oystercatcher loves feeding on oysters. Did you know the longevity record of an oystercatcher stands at 40 years and a month? Bar-tailed godwits are usually found in the northern hemisphere. They move south during winter. Bar-tailed godwits are the world record holders for non-stop flying. They have been recorded traveling 11,000 kilometers just in 8 days from Alaska to New Zealand. Rich in water birds and waders, Thoothukudi ranks world number 1 in the world bird population. கடைசியில் சும்மா கதை தான் விட்டேன். வேர்ல்ட் நம்பர் 1லாம் இல்லை. Do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.